Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at another app. Today we are looking at a fashion app called Depop. It was basically a marketplace where it can or used cheap clothing and apparel or shoes even. Got a lot of stuff on here. And basically to use the app, just click on it and then you can look at your suggested recommended sellers. And then what's it called? You can search for, let's say, a Nike Tech, and then will show similar or what you're looking for. And then you could also filter by price and whatnot and size, a lot of stuff. And then you could start selling. So that's the bottom middle, but I'm not a seller, so I don't have that. You could also, and then you could also like offer or chat with sellers, or your clients can chat with you. You could also have followers. You could click on find friends. You could connect your contacts, Facebook and Twitter, and you could look at your likes, saved, and reviews of your shop. So I don't have a shop, but that's basically how I use the app. If you go all the way down on search, you can look at the different departments of what is sold other than clothing. So like jewelry, art, home, kids, equipment even. Yeah, and that's how I use the app. Thank you for watching.